like a patient waiting for a visa. Tryna slide presidential with a window tinted.
I bet they say we hooping. Shoot out a nigga for late. Young bitch look, she taking. Round with a Glock with a fully. Ski mask on with a hoodie. He tryna ball, even though he know he shouldn't.
When you got that bitch on, I look good.
Yeah.
Alright, man, this is, I don't know, bro. Y'all seen a series of fucking videos, bro. We going stupid in Miami, bro. Now we got some girls with us. We're finna go ATV riding right now. I'm not bringing my camera, so the vlog gonna be continued on the phone. And then, bro, y'all just gonna see this shit back to back with it, bro. But yeah, we got, what? How many minutes? We got like, bro, we got like only like 8 minutes until we can leave home. And I'm charging my phone and shit, bro. This day was fast paced as fuck. I hope y'all liking the videos and shit, though. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and give me some more video ideas. But we finna be on the way to jet ski right now. I don't know why I keep saying jet ski. We on the way to ATV riding, bro.
The address 1508. Oh wait.
So yeah, we gonna get back to y'all.
That's the address 1508.
And it's gonna be on my phone, bro.
Oh, you said?
Don't get around these hoes and start acting gay, bro. We ride jet skis with hoes. We turning on the vlog, man. We finna.
What the fuck that mean? That's she for you. That's
No, we just saying don't be on no awkward ass shit, acting gay and shit.
A whole riding with you, son.
I don't mind that, but I'm just saying, I don't want no acting girl.
If she ugly, then don't entertain her. Where you want to go in the front? Damn, this is dark. It's dark out there, bitch. Which one you gonna get on? This one?
Yeah, not the front one. Not the front.
We jet. Bro, why do I always say jet skiing, bro? Bro, we ATV riding YouTube, bro. Man, I went finna fuck up the Burberry slide catching that. Damn, look like it's already fucking up my shorts and shit. We ain't even do nothing yet. We ain't do shit yet. It's a lot of fucking people, bro. I'm that driver though, man. I told her I'm that driver. If she wanna let me take her home, she gonna see how I drive in the car. I drive better in the car. I gave her the helmet so you know shit gets crazy. Nah, not with me though. I know how to drive. So we gonna be
boy like you my number one child. When it come to money, I don't get no fuck. Hit him with the blick and watch a pussy nigga fold up. Young and put that Rolls Royce on the curb for the doors up. Them pussy niggas hate from a distance, they never know us. Shawty say you got all them diamonds, you running over. Gotta put my heart in the sweater, it's getting colder. Maya say she looked in my eyes and said,
oh, we thought it was over. Bye-bye. We thought it was over.
Number fashion Nova. Hit her with the D, head game bipolar. One thing that I know, can't let nobody just run over me. Me and K talk back on good terms, the high post. Boom, yeah, I got my blicky in the club while you approaching me. Foreign bitches everywhere, fuck them till they go to sleep. I ain't gotta have no third, I already know you creep. And I don't really like to go on dates, everybody notice. Boom, bitch, you know I got like 5 hoes, why you posting me?
We just started, man. Man, we in Miami living it. You came to Miami spring break last year?
Yeah.
For real?
Oh God, it was my birthday.
I did not
This year better
see you out here. This year was better because I did more shit this year.
Oh God.
Hey y'all, damn, it's just everywhere out this motherfucker, boy. Shit get crazy, man. If you in Miami, bro, ATV riding is definitely worth it. What you think? We only like 10 minutes in.
Yes.
So this shit gonna get like.
Sugar in my heart.
Man, shit is getting crazy in Miami, bro. If you never did ATV riding, you gotta do this shit. She over here trying to be nasty and put her hands in my pants while we on ATV.
Why you telling me my business?
I'ma blur that out too. Yo. Yeah. I might get lit. This might be my first time getting drunk in Miami. It might be my first time getting drunk in Miami.
Lit, y'all.
I've never been drunk before, but it might be my first Shit get crazy in Miami though, man, as y'all see, man. Man, we left everybody in the fucking rear. Well, we got a couple of people in the front of us. Everybody else in the rear though. But man, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute though. Just make sure y'all keep watching, man. Hit y'all like, comment, subscribe. Man, I'm riding too hardcore, man. My dog Dev helping me. I'm all in the crops and shit. Bro, how the fuck we get it out? Here, record. Yeah, push it up.
Okay. Right. Look at your hair. Does my hair look like your hair?
My shit fucked up.
Dusty as fuck.
Damn, I ain't even get to see my hair. All right, come on.
How you going across, bro?
Bro, I don't know, bro. I slipped up like one time.
Still one time.
Hey, Dev, how you fought with this shit?
All the way in the back.
Bro, cause I fell in the crops, bitch.
Hair.
Guap, your shit cruise. Bro, your shit cruise. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little something right here. Bro, if y'all ever plan on riding ATVs, bro, do this shit, bro. This shit fun. I can't even count, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Shit, you just get dirty as fuck. So as soon as you all get home, you gotta get your ass in the shower. Oh yeah, this right here, it ain't nothing over here. It's straight clean right now. Now they got us riding on a little back road, I guess. Cuz, you not fucking with me, cuz. Bro, Guap, your hair is cruise. Cuz, your shit cruise. Cuz, I went in the crops and y'all niggas just passed me and I couldn't get back up. Ain't gonna lie, this shit fun though, bro. Look at this shit though, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah, nigga definitely gotta get in the, cuz nigga gotta get in the shower as soon as we get home, cuz you ugly as fuck, cuz. Cuz, you ugly as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit fun, bro. Y'all gotta do this shit. This shit got a nigga dirty as fuck though, bro. Bro, Guap, your shit cruise, boy.
My shit is brown, bro. What the fuck?
Your shit fucking cruise.
My shit brown.
That shit fucking cruise. Hey, this nigga John Wall playing so dirty. This bitch made mud get on me, my nigga. Bruh, this shit crazy, man. I can't even lick my lip right. This dumbass nigga shit fucking up. Alright. And this shit crazy, cuz. These bitches don't even look like Burberry no more. My fucking shorts. What? John Wall, I'm on your ass, boy. Move out the fucking way. Your ass need to move. Cuz trying to pass me up and shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, then we ending the tour right here, man. What you think of it, Dev? 1 through 10. 10. What you think of it, Guap? 1 through 10. 9. What could have been better? If you went ugly as a bitch with all that dirt in your hair? Yeah, Maya wanna go get in the shower. Yeah. Cause we too dirty. Damn, it ain't even over.
Oh, they played us. That's not right.
Oh, we thought it was over. Bye-bye. We thought it was over. But the tour goes on. Oh, that's how you rock it, my nigga. Oh, that's how you rock it. They finna get off. They finna go off the road. They fighting for the spot. I'm covering up both of the lanes. Nigga not going to the left of me or the right of me. Whoever behind me, back up, my nigga. You not getting behind me. You not getting home. You not. Call it a day, my nigga. We good. We good. I bounce back. I almost let go of the wheel.
Let me get you on camera. Let me put you on camera.
Is my dreads dirty?
Shit check, your shit. Cruise, man. Check out the fit check. Let me do a fit check. Fit check.
You feel me?
Fit check.
Oh my God, he's loose.
Fit check.
Oh my God, he's loose. Oh my God.
John Wall. Fit check.
Come on, bro, nigga, fly as hell.
Cause these
Fit check.
niggas
Let me
ain't
give me fit check.
these ain't even
That's my favorite Nike jacket.
Gucci.
No, fuck out your picture.
Private talk to the camera.
Boy, we got us a video, boy.
I'm finna fuck this whole tonight. I'm finna fuck this whole tonight. Okay. Fuck it. I'm finna fuck this whole tonight. Bro, this whole was,
Bro,
gang.
that shit was fun,
Bro,
bro. This
gang,
was
this
so
was
dirty,
dirty.
bro. This ain't no shit.
We all finna hit these hoes. Bro. Fuck you,
How you feel?
gang locked in.
I'm
You
feeling
gotta
dirty.
wash it.
Hey, what's
They
up?
ain't watching
What you
shit.
what
You
you
stop by the corner store, get some Red Bulls. We know.
what you hit in your bid up?
We can't go to
I mean, what you fucking with your bid?
finna smoke or drink.
Yeah.
What you fucking with your bid?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all were locked in, boy. TJ, they were locked in.
Too, but I think
Y'all, we had so much fun. My voice is gone. But yeah,
Damn, my phone.
For sure.
it was a 10 out of 10. You ain't asked me. Asked all them niggas 10 out
So
of 10.
what you think? How you think about what you think about the jet ski?
Looking like this, but I think it was a 10 out of 10.
It was definitely a
Definitely
10.
10 out of 10. We won. Yeah.
Well, y'all won that.
We definitely been won.
Well,
Cause we got
AT,
stuck
you
and we
fuck, nigga.
came back in the front. I don't care.
y'all
He
couldn't be
cheated
right.
us
Y'all
last
must
week.
want to ride when I was riding.
Okay.
That shit got
Who
loaded.
won?
Cause I was on your ass the whole
The
time,
whole
cuz.
time.
Bruh, I was blowing that shit, and you was the
Fuck
first
no.
one, and I was the
You were
last
the
one.
second one.
Nigga, that's cause I got stuck in the crops one time, cuz.
It don't matter. Once your pussy ass got
And
loaded,
the young got his head on. Never duck a smoke coming head on. You ever got that feeling like you done something wrong?